Derivatives market in India has a history dating back to 1875. The Bombay Cotton Trading Association started future trading in this year. History suggests that by 1900, India became one of the world's largest future trading industry. However, after independence in 1952, the government of India officially put a ban on cash settlement and options trading. This ban on commodities future trading was uplifted in the year 2000. In 1993, the National Stock Exchange, an electronic-based trading exchange, came into existence. The Bombay Stock Exchange was already fully functional for over 100 years then. In BSE, forward trading was there in the form of Badla trading, but formally, derivatives trading kick-started in its present form only after 2001. The National Stock Exchange of India commenced trading in derivatives with the launch of index futures on June 12, 2000. NSE introduced trading in index options on June 4, 2001. NSE also became the first exchange to launch trading in options on individual securities from July 2, 2001. The exchange has also introduced trading in futures and options, contract based on indices. In spite of BSE being the oldest stock exchange, the volume over time was significantly low when compared to that of NSE. The main reason for this was slow adoption of technology by BSE. BSE derivative trading is now gaining steam. All these days, the derivatives in BSE lack liquidity. But now, the activity in BSE is picking up. This gives a great opportunity for traders who regularly trade in options. The underlying index is BSE Sensex 50 index, which is very similar to Nifty 50 in terms of index value, index constituents, and weightage of stocks. The lot size of Sensex 50 options is also 75, which is again similar to NSE Nifty 50. If everything is similar, we'll examine how trading in BSE options alongside NSE options can give a good opportunity for a trader to earn better income. NSE index option contracts expire every Thursday. However, BSE index contracts expire every Monday, thus giving an option trader a great opportunity to benefit from two expiries. Along with weekly contracts expiring on Monday, the monthly contracts expire on last Thursday of every month along with NSE options. The collateral is applicable at segment level, therefore additional collateral is not required for BSE F&O segment. There are no transaction charges in BSE F&O segment, and that is the main catch here. Therefore, an option trader can create various strategies with Nifty options and BSE Sensex 50 options put together because there is very high correlation and both of them come with different expiry dates. The increasing liquidity, zero transaction cost, very high correlation with Nifty and Monday expiry of weekly contracts gives it great opportunity for option traders to benefit from making different option strategies with Nifty and Sensex 50 options together.